In this video, I'll show you how to set a PIN in your Sportsbet account or app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so open up your Sportsbet app as you normally would. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the home page here. Then from here, you want to click onto More, bottom right-hand corner, and then click onto My Account. And now once you're inside My Account, just scroll down a little bit and then click on Edit Details. And then under Account Details, like so, make sure you're on account details. Where it says set a PIN, make sure to toggle that on. And now put in a 4-digit PIN. And then click continue. And then set it again. Click continue. And then you can see your PIN has now been enabled. So if I get out of the app and if I go to re-enter the app like so, and I'll head down to more. Click onto edit details. You can see my PIN is now enabled.